Hey everybody, HVAC repair guy here. I've spent over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, on top of my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are comparing two budget-friendly heat pumps to see how they stack up against each other, the Direct Comfort GSZH5 and the PAN PH5SAN5. When we look at build quality and cabinet construction, the Direct Comfort GSZH5 comes with a sturdy louvered coil cabinet. That louvered cabinet gives solid protection to the coils from flying debris, lawnmowers, and kids playing in the yard. On the other side, the PAN PH5SAN5 uses open inlet grill panels rather than a louvered metal wrap. Moving on to heating performance, we look at the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF. The Direct Comfort GSZH5 comes in with an HSPF rating of 7.8, while the PAN PH5SAN5 rates slightly higher at 8.1. In real-world winter operation, a higher HSPF rating means the unit squeezes more heat out of every kilowatt-hour of electricity it uses. That gives the PAN a slight edge in heating efficiency during cold weather, though both will deliver dependable cooling performance during the summer as well. Taking a look at compressor and fan technology, both of these systems are basic single-speed models. A single-speed setup means the compressor and outdoor fan turn on at 100% capacity whenever there is a call for heating or cooling and run until the thermostat is satisfied. When we talk noise levels, decibel ratings give us a clear frame of reference. The PAN PH5SAN5 is rated as low as 70 decibels, which is equivalent to the sound of a dishwasher running in the kitchen or normal background conversation. The Direct Comfort GSZH5 comes in higher, at around 76 decibels per distributor listings, which is noticeably louder and feels closer to standing near a running vacuum cleaner or garbage disposal. Looking at who manufactures these systems, the Direct Comfort GSZH5 is built in the USA by Daikin Global. The PAN PH5SAN5 is manufactured in Mexico by Carrier. Now let me break down actual equipment pricing and real-world installation costs based on current distributor data. For the Direct Comfort GSZH5, online HVAC distributors list the outdoor condenser alone between $2,226 for a 1.5-ton unit up to $4,223 for a 5-ton unit. A complete 3-ton GSZH5 heat pump system bundled with a matched indoor air handler sits right around $4,566 for equipment alone. When you factor in professional labor, permits, line sets, and installation, total turnkey pricing for a full Direct Comfort system replacement typically runs between $7,500 and $10,000 depending on your home's size and ductwork needs. Looking at the PAN PH5SAN5, equipment pricing for the outdoor condenser unit ranges from $3,216 for a 2-ton model up to $5,134 for a 5-ton model on distributor platforms. A complete match split system package with an air handler runs around $5,400 in equipment costs. When professionally installed by a contractor, total installed market costs for the PAN PH5SAN5 typically range between $6,800 and $9,500 plus. Comparing warranties, both units give you equal coverage on paper. Each model carries a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. My honest recommendation between these two comes down to overall operating efficiency and daily sound comfort. While the Direct Comfort offers a louvered coil cabinet and a lower equipment purchase price, the PAN PH5SAN5 takes the win because of its higher 8.1 HSPF heating rating and its significantly quieter 70 decibel operation. If you want a dependable, budget-friendly heat pump that keeps your winter electric bill a bit lower and runs quietly outside your home, the PAN PH5SAN5 is the clear winner.